Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and proximity because a dead battery or distant aim wastes time. Replace batteries and turn the Samsung TV on manually. The TV must be on to accept codes. Once done, identify the TV model year or note Smart vs older models so you can pick the right code family. Make sure you stand within 3 to 6 feet and point the remote at the TV's IR sensor. Now you're ready to enter programming mode. You'll now put the remote into programming mode so it listens for codes. Press and hold the remote's SET or code button until the LED blinks or remains lit. This tells you it's ready to accept input. Next, either enter a Samsung code from the remotes list or initiate the automatic code search. Automatic is slower but finds unknown codes. When a code is sent, press the TV power or a transport button to test. If the TV responds, lock the code. If not, continue. You finish by saving the working code and verifying full control. After the TV reacts, press the remote store or SET to lock the code. Then test volume, input, and power functions so you confirm everything works. If control is partial or missing, repeat the automatic search or try other Samsung codes from the list. If problems persist, check batteries, ensure the TV's IR sensor is unobstructed. Move closer, and confirm the TV doesn't have an IR remote.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.